What's up, YouTube? Today I just got my Persona 4 Dancing All Night Disco Fever Edition from Rise Digital. I didn't really got it, some minutes ago. So I'm going to open this and show you guys what's inside. Oh. So actually here, this was on the back. That's actually a list of all the things that should be inside this box. So let's actually open the box. It just looks the same from the front and the back. And inside there's a lot of these thingamajiggies. So I gotta find some way to find something to put all these green thingamajiggies away in, so they don't just lay all over the floor or something. So excuse me while I take some seconds to put these away. Got the majority of them out. Be ready soon to actually show off some content. These thingamajiggies. But of course, if they weren't in there, then whoa! And everything something just fell on the floor. So here's what was inside. A pretty heavy teddy keychain here. Pretty solid. Of course the game. A soundtrack. And I think it should be 2 CDs in here. A skin for the PS Vita and a bag here. Dancing All Night bag. It's a little bigger than I expected actually. Ooh. It's actually quite nice. Lots of space compared to the one I had in the first place. Yeah. Well, and because I got this from Rise Digital, I also got something else. I got the badges that Chie Satonaka from Persona 4 are wearing. Got a set of tarot cards, and I got Teddy keychain, a softer Teddy keychain, and a Jonas t-shirt. It's a little hard to show off with only one hand, but even though I already had all these last things in the first place, there's nothing wrong with getting more of those. So that was my unboxing of Persona 4 Dancing All Night Disco Fever Edition. So, hope to see you in my next video, which I don't really know what's gonna be, but see you.